Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing part 2 of the arena. And sorry about the crowd.
The safe zone is collapsed.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna kill somebody. I need to. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Let's go. Guys, why are you stopping?
We're getting some loadout.
Okay, wait. Wait for me. Ooh, I don't want sniper.
Airdrop is coming.
Wait, guys, I'm not here. There you go. Let's go.
I need some ammo.
Come on, let's go. Go. Go.
No.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Let's go. I want to kill somebody.